In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chase bank statements to QuickBooks Online. We'll go through the process from start to finish, beginning with downloading your transaction file from Chase and then uploading that file into QuickBooks Online so you can review and organize everything properly. This is a useful method if you want to bring in transactions manually, especially when you're catching up on bookkeeping or importing a specific date range. To begin, sign into your Chase online banking account and open the bank account or credit card account you want to work with. Once you're inside the correct account, look for the option called Download Account Activity. In many cases, it appears on the right side of the screen, although the exact placement can vary slightly depending on Chase's current layout. When you select the download option, you'll be asked to choose a file type. Make sure you choose QuickBooks, which uses the QBO format. This is important because QuickBooks Online is designed to read that file type directly, making the import process much smoother. Next, choose the date range for the transactions you want to download. A helpful tip here is to avoid including the current day, since that day's transactions may still be pending or incomplete. Choosing a completed date range helps reduce errors and keeps your records cleaner. Once the file type and date range are set, click Download and save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer. Now switch over to QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. From the left-hand menu, go to Transactions, then select Bank Transactions. On that page, find the drop-down next to Link Account and choose Upload from File. If the account is not already connected, you may instead see an option to upload transactions manually, and that works too. Click Browse and locate the QBO file you just downloaded from Chase. After selecting the file, QuickBooks will ask which account you want these transactions to go into. Choose the correct QuickBooks account so the imported activity matches the right bank or credit card. Then click Next and follow the on-screen prompts. QuickBooks may guide you through mapping the columns and confirming the import details. Take a moment here to review everything carefully so the data comes in correctly. Once the upload is complete, go to the For Review tab. This is where you can categorize the transactions, confirm the details, and add them to your books. Reviewing before adding is an important final step because it helps you catch duplicates, confirm account accuracy, and keep your bookkeeping organized. That's how to download Chase bank statements to QuickBooks Online.